Clamp it in a vise and call it good. Remember what we talked about on fixturing a workpiece? It could be many, many, many different things. We could have fixtures, we could have clamps, we could have locating pods, we could have double stick tape. I don't care. One way or another, we're going to fixture our workpiece. Usually, fixturing your workpiece also includes some type of location so that we can be repeatable. Has anybody ever heard the term datum reference frame? How about the 3-2-1 rule? 3-2-1? When we're setting up a datum reference frame, we have this 3-2-1 rule that we like to consider. I'm going to locate this part in 3 different axes. I'm going to set this onto something. If I set it on a set of parallels, I'm locating on at least 3 surfaces, am I not? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I need a minimum for my primary locating surface. I need a minimum of 3 points of location. Everybody will agree that a set of parallels would work for that.
Mm-hmm.
When I'm using a vise, my secondary locating surface in this case is going to be the back of the vise jaw. So when I when I set it down on the parallels and push it up against the back of the vise jaw, am I going to have a minimum of 2 points of contact?
Yes.
Absolutely. Minimum 2 points of contact. There's my 3, 2, and then I'm going to slide it over to a mill stop or a side of a vise jaw or a magnet or something, and I'm going to slide it over and touch what we call a, anybody know what that third set is? Anybody say it? Primary, secondary,
Tertiary.
and,
Tertiary?
Tertiary. Can you spell it?
No.
Good. He's just a show off. Primary, secondary, tertiary. I've created a datum reference frame that is a repeatable way of putting my part in the machine, isn't it? So, guys, make sure everything is clean. I have a brand new vise sitting here. Do you see that? Yeah. Brand spanking new. Don't be the person that autographs my vise. Don't hit it. Don't run an end mill down into it. I just soon like to have it clean for the next group, right? I'm going to use parallels, front and back.
No, I know what.
I'm going to set my block.
No, I know.
Oh, like a milk stop.
Trying to stay out of your way.
Like a mill stop is correct. I'm going to set my block on my parallels, slide it to the back, and I'm just going to slide it to the left and line up the left side with the vise jaw and clamp. I have fixtured my workpiece, and I've fixtured it using a datum reference frame that is moderately accurately repeatable. Does everybody agree? That is step 2, ladies and gentlemen. End of step